Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make some orange chicken. You don't really need any special equipment, but for this recipe, I'm going to be using a deep fat fryer, which you can substitute any heavy bottom pan for as long as it's deep enough to cover the chicken in oil. I'm going to be using a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornstarch, 1 egg, salt, pepper, and a splash of water, as well as approximately 1 pound of chicken tenders, which you can substitute chicken breasts for. First, I'm going to start off by preparing my chicken tenders. I'm going to go ahead and cut these into approximately 1-inch cubes. Next, I'm going to prepare my egg mixture. Go ahead and crack an egg in a bowl, and then add a splash of water, some salt, pepper, and then I'll whisk this until it's well combined. After the egg mixture is done, I'll go ahead and get my flour and cornstarch mixture ready. Whether to use flour or cornstarch dredge is really up to personal preference. Flour gives you a really crunchy texture, while cornstarch holds up really well to sauces. I personally like to combine the two to get the crunchiness of flour and the durability of a cornstarch dredge. So I'll put in a half cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornstarch, and then I'll mix the two together until well combined. Now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my fryer to 375 degrees. If you're using a thick bottom pan, just use a heat safe thermometer to measure the temperature of the oil. The fryer's finished preheating, so I'm going to go ahead and dredge my chicken. I'm first going to dip it in the egg. Then I'm going to dip it in the cornstarch mixture until it's well coated. After it's coated, I'm going to put it in the fryer for about 6 minutes. Note that I'm leaving the basket down while I'm putting the chicken in. That's so that it doesn't stick to the basket when it cooks. And I'll just continue dredging more chicken until the basket's full. It's been about 6 minutes and the chicken's done. You can see how it has a nice crunchy golden brown color. I'm going to go ahead and put that in a bowl, to which I'll add some orange sauce that I cooked earlier. And then I'll just spin the chicken around in the orange sauce until it's well coated. After the chicken's coated in orange sauce, I'll go ahead and serve it over a nice bed of fried rice. I hope you enjoyed making orange chicken with me today. If you like the content on this channel, please subscribe.